Hello friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max Class. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Find the derivative of log x base e from first principle. Find the derivative of log x base e from first principle. This is little difficult to understand. Please try to understand. We know what is first principle of derivative. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is known as first principle of derivative. Now, which function derivative you want to find, you take that function as f of x. What is f of x? F of x is log x base e. Now, what is f of x plus h? F of x plus h. Replace x with x plus h. F of x plus h is logarithm of x plus h base e. Now, limit h tends to 0. What is f of x plus h? F of x plus h is logarithm of x plus h base e minus what is f of x? F of x is log x base e whole divided by h. Limit h tends to 0. Now we know this formula from logarithm chapter. Log m minus log n is logarithm of m divided by n. You observe here logarithm of m divided by n. M is x plus h divided by n is x. Base e whole divided by h. That is equals to limit h approaches to 0 logarithm of, you observe here x plus h by x can be written as x by x plus h divided by x. X by x is 1 plus h divided by x base e whole divided by h. This can be understood easily from the previous step. Now observe that when h is approaching to 0, divide both sides with x. H by x is approaching to 0. So when h is approaching to 0, h by x is approaching to 0. From previous step and this step, only the difference is when h is approaching to 0, we can write that h by x is approaching to 0. Now you observe this step. Limit h by x approaches to 0, logarithm of 1 plus h divided by x base e whole divided by h. Now you observe in the denominator, I am multiplying and dividing with x. You observe multiplying and dividing with x. Observe this x. If this x will get cancelled, again you will get the previous step. Now this x, observe please, this x can be written as into 1 divided by x. It can be understood equals to, now we know that formula, limit x tends to a f of x into g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x. So I'll write it as limit h by x tends to 0 logarithm of 1 plus h divided by x base e whole divided by h by x into, you observe what is remaining in the above step, 1 by x is remaining. So limit h approaches to 0, you observe I written h approaches to 0, limit h approaches to 0, 1 by x. Now you please observe this limit. We need to find limit of this function. In limits chapter, we learn the formula that limit x tends to 0 logarithm of 1 plus x divided by x equal to 1. You observe this formula and this expression. In place of x, h by x is there. So we can apply this formula to this limit. So what is the limit of that function? Is 1. Now you observe the other one. Limit h tends to 0, 1 by x. Limit h tends to 0, 1 by x is what? Is 1 by x only. So what is f dash of x? F dash of x is 1 by x. So what is the conclusion? If f of x is log x base e, then f dash of x is 1 by x. It means the derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. From now onwards, we take it as a formula. Derivative of log x base e is 1 by x. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please press like button below. Share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.